morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday morning. Oh, I don't know about you, but I could use a nap. The weather's supposed to be a little better today. Weather as in the heat. We're supposed to be like 10 degrees, 11 degrees. Bob Harlan's weather forecast this morning indicated that, and Channel 3. Yeah, so we'll see. Yeah. Last night, I prepared the Reuben bake. Oh, if you haven't seen the pictures or any of the video, please take a look. It's a simple, this is very simple, but it is very yummy. Robin, and I quote, has said this several times since dinner, that this is very yummy, this is good. Keep on going with that. And I also did a homemade Russian dressing for this. I will get both recipes up in the group as soon as I get done posting this video. Another mix-up or another change around in the menu for this week. I was supposed to do this Southern breakfast casserole enchilada thing today, which was supposed to do yesterday. Whatever. So today I'm doing my chili mac, the fastest meal that I prepare. It's the fastest meal I cook. Prepare, you decide. So let's take a look. I always do this in a wok. Yes. Ground turkey, prepared macaroni and cheese, a small tub of pico de gallo. I'm going to be using my taco seasoning instead of the packet. And this is the wonderful chili hatch chili blend that I got from fine folks here in Yuba City. So, extremely simple. And I cooked this meal in less than 15 minutes. It's that fast. Today is menu day. It's Wednesday. This is when I start digging in, looking at the ads. Yep. Let's see what I'm going to pull out this week. I don't know if I'm going to go repeats or new or magazines, or I'm not sure yet. It could be a mix. I guarantee you, though, there will be a soup. All right. One big announcement. Casual Chef's Kitchen is now on Etsy. I created the account last night. The paperback of Recipes Are Just Guidelines is now available on Etsy. Yeah. All right. On this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.